Hi guys, so tonight I am going to make I'm actually making up this soup as I go along. So what I have in there now is a little bit of olive oil from my garlic stuff that I made. And so I'm actually, let me show you what I'm putting in here. I'm not going to put any more olive oil. I'm actually going to put grapeseed oil in there. And I am going to build a base for my soup. Okay, so I'm not going to actually wait for this to get hot. I want to season this. So what I have here is garlic and peppers. So I'm putting my garlic in since it's pretty much seasoned with it already. And then I flash freeze. Oh, what do I do with it? I flash freeze most of my vegetables. And I put in these double bag it actually. These are onions. Now, these are not chopped finely, and I'm just throwing them in whole. Because they'll break down anyway. Because I like a onion. So, if you would like for me to show you how to do this, just hit me up in the comments part, and I will show you all how I flash freeze my vegetables and fruits. Alright, so you can hear the sizzling. So I'm going to build, like I said, just throwing these peppers. And those is frozen as well. I'm sort of impatient. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is, since I got them a little soft, I don't want my garlic to burn. So what I'm gonna do is now I have in this bucket is actually where I clean my meat, and how I clean it is I fill it up with cold water, apple cider vinegar, and I put my meat in there and I let it sit for about 20 minutes. Then I'll rinse them out again. So this is already clean meat. So I'm gonna let this actually. And I got water in there, but that's okay. Do that here. And then I'm gonna start my first part of my seasoning. And actually I don't know what this is because my my boo made it. I think it's some kind of curry, and I just want a little bit because I'm not really a curry freak, but I just want a little zest tonight I suppose. So I'm gonna put just about a tablespoon. Just shake that in there. Oh, it's actually more than enough. It smells really fragrant. It's so funny because he came in and he was looking at my seasoning and mixed up some stuff, and this is what he came up with. So we will see. And I hope I didn't put too much. Let that cook just a little bit. Be right back. Okay, so this is the bubble that I want, the boil. I want to add my last ingredient, and that is just a couple of angel hair pasta. Just put this in. Let that cook. Maybe a couple more. Okay. So I'll let that cook, and I will show you my final results.